Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a neat buttonhole. And if this sounds like what you love, kindly watch it to the end and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. Let's get started. Here is my sewing machine. I just put it on now, and there I have the universal foot. I'll be replacing the universal foot with the buttonhole foot. So this is how the buttonhole foot looks. It's more like a plastic, and look at the way I positioned it, and here it is. So depending on the size of your button, you are going to determine how long you want the buttonhole to be. So that's just my button. I just placed it in and I'll be checking the length of the button. If you have a bigger button, there's no need placing it there, but you can as well determine how long the button is. So if you want to stitch, you set your tension to 5 as I have shown, then you set it to number 3. That's to stitch the upper part of the buttonhole. I already have my fabric placed there, which I'll be using as a sample. So this is how it should be when you first sew. Then you take your knob to number 4, just as you see me do. I'll also stitch again. Don't forget, I had already determined how long I want the buttonhole to be, so I'll just be stitching it like that. So when I was done doing that, I went again to number 1. I'll be switching the knob to number 1 now to get the base, just the way I started it. Then lastly, I'll go to number 2 to complete the buttonhole. So I just switched the knob now, which I'll be stitching right away. So this was so simple to make, and we are done creating a buttonhole. So you can do any size you want. When you are done creating the buttonhole, you can trim the excess thread on the 2 sides of the fabric. Then you look for a very sharp object like your blade or the tip of your scissors to open up the hole. And as you can see, very neat. If you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do, so that the ministry can keep moving forward. See you all in my next tutorial. Bye.